Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by saving work and closing apps to avoid interruptions. This is essential. Once done, plug the MacBook Pro into power so the battery doesn't drop mid-update. Open the Apple menu, choose about this Mac, then click Software Update to fetch available macOS or app updates. The system will show what's recommended and how large the download is. Note the size so you can decide whether to update now or schedule during off hours. You click Update Now to start downloading. For major upgrades, the button may say Upgrade Now, which performs a larger install. Monitor free disk space. macOS shows requirements, so you can clear files if needed. Make sure your network is stable. Use Ethernet or a reliable Wi-Fi to avoid corrupted downloads. When download completes, the installer will prompt you to restart. Follow on-screen steps and allow the Mac to reboot and install. This may take several minutes to an hour. You let the Mac finish rebooting and then confirm the Mac OS version in About This Mac to ensure success. Make sure apps launch correctly and sign back into services if requested. If the installer fails, restart into safe mode by holding Shift, then try Software Update again. Safe mode clears caches that can block installs. If disk issues persist, run Disk Utility First Aid from recovery mode to repair the drive. Then rerun the update. This often resolves stubborn installations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.